Hello， 大家好，我是刘老师。
我是刘洁莹。
What we gonna do today?
We're gonna make hand sanitizer.
我们要做 hand sanitizer， 就是干洗手液哦。OK， 好，那现在跟着我们一起看怎么做。And then we're gonna show you the ingredients here. Okay. We spend some time writing on the ingredients that we need.
But it seems like it's backwards.
It seems like it's backward. How about if we turn it the other side? Can you see better?
Yeah, for us, we can see it better.
Okay, anyway, we'll teach you how to make one, okay?
Yeah.
The hand sanitizer, 干洗手液。来，我请刘洁莹来念。
Okay, for method 1.
Okay, we got 2 methods. Okay, 来 method 1.
Alcohol-based.
Alcohol base.
So,
definitely we'll need alcohol. 2/3 cup of alcohol. Okay, what 刘老师 get is 91% alcohol.
Yeah.
If it's 75 and above, it's good. Okay. 好 number 2.
For number 2, 1/3
cup of
pure aloe vera gel.
aloe vera gel. Okay, which is this one. Okay, you can find it online or in the store. Okay. 好
For number 3, 8 to 10 drops essential oil,
essential oil.
such as lavender, cinnamon, or peppermint.
Okay. For the essential oil, what we get is the whole box of it. Okay. So you can use any essential oil that you have. Okay. Any scent. Okay. You prefer. 好，来，我们请刘洁莹念一下我们要什么。
You have eucalyptus, peppermint, lemongrass, tea tree, lavender, and sweet orange.
对。那你呢？你要
I'm going
用什么
to
味
use
道？
lavender.
哦，你要用 lavender。那
Smells
刘老师喜欢用 lemongrass。And since
Grass.
lemongrass has lemon, I think it's good to go with orange too. So I use this to combine. Okay, this two scent. Okay. 好 let's leave it aside. And number 3 is the essential oil. Number 4 is the
Mixing
bowl.
bowl.
And number 5 spoon. Okay, so you get to mix.
Number 6, funnel.
Funnel, we got a mini one funnel here.
A tiny funnel. And for number 6, plastic container.
Plastic container, so you can use this kind of plastic containers or this kind. It depends on the consistency. If it's more gel-like, then you use the one that holds the shampoo.
We're
Okay?
using this.
Yeah, you can
This
use
one's
the
fine.
one holds shampoo. Or if it's more liquid, you can use this, the spray bottle. Okay? How? So that's all the ingredients we need.
For method 1.
Method 1. Now let's go to method 2.
This one is witch hazel base.
And
And we'll need 1 cup of aloe vera gel.
aloe vera gel.
And we'll need 1/2
One
teaspoon
and
with
one.
hazel, of witch hazel.
Which hazel? Here. How?
Number 3, 5 drops of essential oil.
Essential oil. Okay. How?
Yeah. For number 4, we need a mixing bowl
A
again.
mixing bowl. Number 5 spoon.
And number 6, funnel.
Funnel.
And 7, plastic container.
Plastic container. It can be the spray or this kind. Okay. It depends on your consistency. How?
Let's get started.
Let's go! So right now we're gonna clean our table, okay? And let's wipe it. Make sure everything is clean and sanitized, including our cup that we are going to use later. Okay?
Did you clean my spoon?
Yes, I did. Okay, so everything is clean, right? Leave it here. So we both need a bowl and spoon and a plastic container. Essential oil. Okay. And Liu Jing going to go for the method 1, so alcohol.
Alcohol-based.
So Liu 老师 will use the which has a one. Okay, but we both need the aloe vera gel, so we'll leave it here. Okay, 好，来，那现在呢 ？So what do we need? How we get started?
We need our stuff.
How much alcohol do you need?
I need 2/3.
2/3 cup. Okay, then you fill up your 2/3 cup here.
Is this 2/3?
That's the whole cup. So
I just-
2/3 is about like here.
Okay.
Okay. 好 and 刘老师 will need 1.5 teaspoon
That's a
of
lot.
witch hazel oil. Okay. So where's my spoon? The teaspoon is this one. Okay, 1.5. So I have 1. And 好，那现在呢？刘洁莹的 number 2 is
Number 2, 1/3 cup of pure aloe vera gel.
okay. So
I need to
1/3
hold
cup,
this.
right? Can we just squeeze? Like, that's the alcohol. Alcohol has a strong smells. Okay, so
Smells
if-
kind of bad.
if you don't like alcohol, you can use the witch
Hazel.
hazel instead. Okay, some people don't like the strong smells.
But I'm
And
fine
why
with
we
it.
need aloe vera gel? Because the alcohol will make your hands dry. Okay, so the aloe vera gel can make your hand has some
like
bring your
Jello.
hands some moisturize. Okay, 好 and 刘老师 will need I'll actually need 1 cup of aloe vera gel. Oh, so mine will be thicker. 现在刘老师 need 1 cup of aloe vera gel. Okay, so I already
almost
put it
used all of
in.
it.
Okay, I almost used all of it, and I could not squeeze out more.
Oh, yes.
Careful with your alcohol. Ha ha ha. Okay, so I think that's good enough for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Just leave it. And let's put everything together and mix. Like Liu Jie, you can mix yours carefully, okay? So I pour
Mine's
my
very
aloe vera
watery.
gel in.
I'm gonna be careful not to spill mine.
Is it too strong for you? If it's too strong, we can switch.
No, but it'll take a while for me to stir this.
好 ，mix， 把它搅拌好哦。那我们在搅拌的时候，我们先来学中文，好不好？来跟刘老师说 ，alcohol is 酒精。好，那这个 aloe vera gel 叫做芦荟胶。essential oil 叫做香精。Good。然后呢，这个叫做一杯 1 cup，OK？、那这个叫做一茶匙 teaspoon， 一茶匙 Good。好，那现在呢，我们已经 mix 的差不多了。哇，刘洁莹的比较 liquidish，
Yeah.
看 ，because hers got more alcohol。现在我们已经搅拌好了 ，mix 好了。好，那现在呢 ？How do you feel?
Strong.
Too
Can we
strong for
switch?
you? Yeah, the alcohol has a strong scent.
I
Like
got my
we can
hands.
switch if you like. So this one is more like liquidish,
And this one's more gel.
more gel-like. 来，more gel-like. 好，那现在呢 ？Let's add the essential oil. So which hazel you
I need 5 drops.
You need 5 drops of essential oil, and I'll need like 8 to 10.
Yeah.
So let's see. I guess I need more
1,
is because the alcohol is more strong.
2, 3, 4, and 5. That's a bit much.
好，刘老师 add 6 drops of the lemongrass.
Drops of that one.
继续放 orange 的，橘子口味的。
Oh, that's smelling pretty good. Smell?
真的 smells 很 fresh 耶。
That's why I chose
I like
lavender.
the lavender.
A lot
Let
of
me
people like
smell it.
lavender.
Still alcohol smells so strong. Maybe I need more essential oil,
I guess so.
right? So you can just add it literally until you feel it's the right scent for you, okay?
Lavender. It was just the best choice. I was gonna do peppermint, but I didn't like it.
Peppermint is a little bit minty scent.
A lot minty. But I like peppermint candy.
I can feel it. Still very
Just keep
strong
adding.
alcohol. Can we switch back?
No.
So basically we done mixing. Yeah. 好，现在 it's time to pour everything in the container. So Liu Jiaying will use this one because her jiao is more like
And I'll take longer
Like
to go
jiao.
down.
Jiao-like. Mine is like liquid. Okay, so I'll
Be
pour
careful.
mine in.
See that happened. Keep pouring. Just keep pouring. Come on, just keep
Do
pouring.
we have space? Huh? Overflow! Let's pour it back a little bit. Okay, it's okay. The one on the table, we can clean our table. Right? Okay. How?
It's
right
not like
now,
those wooden ones.
I'm done with this, the alcohol one.
My turn. Oopsies.
And now it's Liu Jiaying's turn. Let's wipe it. Now it's Liu Jiaying's turn to pour her into the container. And I think this one mini one is that has a little hole. It might take so long. So I suggest she just use the spoon.
But little by little.
Little by little. Okay. Good job. Wow, let me smell yours. Wow. It smells like heaven. Because it's lavender. It's a
Why didn't you pick lavender?
floral scent. Okay, so you can just do like that. So it will go in. Okay.
You know what? This is not too much for this. Okay.
I'm
done.
Finish. Yes. Put the cap on.
On.
Okay, so here's mine. Okay, I'm done.
I'm done.
来，这个是刘老师的，这个是 alcohol base. This is witch hazel base, right? Okay. 好 right now, what we gonna do?
Gonna put tags in.
We're gonna put the label on it, okay? This is Liu Jiaying's handwriting. 来 you can pour yours.
You go first.
Here's our label. Let's put it on. 来
Hey,
you put yours
do
on.
you put it this way or this way?
Whatever you
I'm
like.
gonna go this way. Some people think it's this way.
Ta-da!
I'm still learning.
Nice, right? Now I got my homemade hand sanitizer.
That kind of smells like alcohol.
It is, but it kills germs. Okay, let's try it. Like, shake it. Do you want to try yours too? Okay. Mine has the lemongrass and orange.
Mine is
Scent.
lavender.
Lavender. How? Like. Woo! Did you squeeze yours out?
Yeah.
How香.
Smells
Smells good.
good.
Hope you like our
Hope you
video.
like the video.
So, what do the
So,
audience
what do
needs
the
to say?
audience need to say?
Say comment down below if you have
Say
something
comment
to
down
say.
below if you have something to say.
Okay. 还有呢
Okay,
give us
I know.
like.
Give us a like.
还有呢 subscribe and
And
share. Share.
Share.
Make sure you share.
Make sure you share.
OK，好，再见，
再见
下次见，拜
再见拜
拜
拜。